Welcome aboard the Brilliant Lady. We're touring Massive Suite 15339A, one of Virgin Voyages' MegaRockstar level retreats. The suite opens to a stylish living space anchored by a curved sofa that easily seats 6. Your suite comes stocked with curated vinyls for the record player, a personalized bar with your favorite spirits, wines, and beers, plus daily itineraries to keep you connected to ship life. The spacious living room flows into a convenient half bath, ideal for guests or simply enjoying the luxury of a second bathroom. Unique touches are everywhere, from curated books and art to sweet towels ready for the beach or terrace, and even a personal telescope for stargazing at sea. The second bedroom doubles as a sitting room, with a pull-out couch, a Nintendo Switch, and guitars for jamming. Every Rockstar detail considered. This room also features its own closet with plenty of storage space and an in-room safe for valuables. Step outside to your private terrace, expansive and designed for entertaining. 2 hammocks, a sun pad, a wraparound sofa for 8, a dining table for 6, loungers, and even a private hot tub with outdoor shower. Book both massive suites, and this terrace can expand to create one shared MegaRockstar playground. An exclusive highlight, full in-suite dining. Here, we enjoyed Rojo's flavorful paella, octopus, and meats served right on our terrace. The master bedroom is sleek and serene, complete with a king bed and its own control tablet for effortless comfort. The bathroom is a true sanctuary. Double sinks, soaking tub, a rain shower with bench, Rockstar robes, and 2 closets for effortless storage. Even the vanity doubles as a chic desk space.